I'm watching all the Jasons. They came in my head yesterday. It was crazy. Avars must be Adunagis, no question, you know. Avars lost in Pannonia. What I counted here. Avars lost in Pannonia, say, this year, you know. But this year's are when the Parthian Empire ends, you know. After the Parthian Empire. So Parthian also is a, you know, Parthia woorden, perrette, pre-interchanges to B, or F, or W, whatever. So Parthian equals bird, because that again interchange, or theater, you know. Interesting. Avar-huns, last Pannonia. Pannonia again, Pane, mediano Vinge, in lat Romania, en Pan, mediano Lord, en Polish language, or polite language, you know, because the policeman must be polite, you know, respects the law and accepts, how the fuck say, from you also to respect the law. That means they must have a high moral, you know, so polite, Polish, same thing. So that's why the politicians also came from there, but politicians, alright, whatever. And yesterday, I guess, I don't know if I mentioned it, but avar, you know. Avar is connected to some air things, you know, in Romanian. Like gripa aviare is a bird flu. Was in Romania, bird. I'll show quickly. Let's see if so aviar, aerial, avis in Latin is bird. Is connected to, here is a, well, it was an article. Let's see if in English we can, English, Romania. Avian is it said. Whatever, avis of bird flu. Where is it? 2000. Fucking crazy. Here is in Romania approximately, you can see. Mindig túlmetjedeni. Bird flu. So the avar nem air, aviar, aero, you know, whatever, rope, or feather, whatever, area, Europe is aerial also, Anunaki land, Anunnakis or whatever, Sumerian gods were shown with wings, so interesting, and also Jason says that Anunnakis lost there, it's crazy, so avars must be the Anunnakis and the Polish. If I say the Polish until now connects to Anunnakis, or anyway the Anunnakis to Huns, interesting, the avar-huns disappear. Hungarian Chronicles is not even mentioned avars. That's why Heribert really took out that 300 years missing, between 600 and 900. In Hungary we are happy because the Hungarian Chronicles say the truth. Yeah, but even all the migrations and the form are fake, so without avars or with avars. But interesting, whenever, why, probably I will observe other things, that why exactly the avars are saying whatever. So yes, the avars are deleted in this year. Salem. Here like this. So the letter in this, you know, in this goes when the avars entered. So avar empire, avars end, let's say, avars, avars, avar-huns, birds, wings, who are otherwise winged lords, like I say, because they were called konitai. Alright, I repeat it, but I like it, so I would like to repeat 10 times per day, you know. Ur is Lord in Hungarian. What is it? Konje. Konje is horse in the Slavic. And konitai. Kanat is wing in Turkish, you know. And in Pannonia, Saarland, or fatherland. Father, mother, water. It's so crazy. And this year, Jason, when the Anunnakis lost in sources, as I guess he says correctly. So from when they appear from here, and the last date, as he says, but not in this part. The third part says somewhere. I mark it. It seems he not delays it. I'm making for lesson for myself here. Mark minutes where he says. So where I was. So here in the third part he says this. That the Anunnakis lasted. So this years until this. And after that, when I told that in this year they disappeared from Sumer, but it seems not. But I don't get it, because on the other hand he says the 7 kings of Sumer of Anunnakis lasted in Sumer 607 years from this to this goes to this. You know, this is the 607 years. So then I don't know what is between then. If Anunnakis disappeared also already here, until now is this year. So what is it, you know? I could ask him, but I don't want to ask him, because probably he already thinks that you should buy my books. And at least the 3 books of him I should buy that until now, you know. This is called a shock period, otherwise. I like it because you know, Shokul Kavari, Shokul Falcon, Shok Angels of the Polish Hussars, etc. So, and also, whatever. So, I wanted to show, I wrote something here. I asking him the Anunnakis name version somewhere up is with Tillet there, you know, because there came the Kanat in Turkish. The craziness here, Sumer, Samar is donkey Hungarian, so the Dönöke letters, you know. Dönöke, is a similar to Kanat already. And donkey in Romania is Magar. Megar. It is similar to Magyar name, you know. And like I said, Sömöre, Szomorú, whatever, Szedlemen, Komor, Grumi, Mogor, Magyar, Kimmeria, and also Polish also can be, I don't know, black card, so all these dark things, you know. Dark card also, according to Jason Anunnakis, you know. Or Méreg in Hungarian, poison also, so you can take from Magyar positive things out and negative also. Because Mag is seed, or Magos high, so high priest, Magi priest, whatever you know. But interesting is, you know, Megar. So the Magyars again, or the donkey, and you know, I put that, you know, Jesus on donkey, also in that region. I don't care if what 2000 years earlier, later. And he also is archery. And even manger, German, or a germ, man, seed, man, mog, Hungarian is seed, so Magyar, or what? But the Jido is the Jew, you know. So here the Jews, Germans, the Hungars can make a competition. Who is the so this is crazy. It's craziness. Where you know, donkey is the kind of so Jesus on a donkey is about if I say EOS archer, you know, Hungars archer, nomads, but the Huns are correct Anunakis or avars also nomads, you know, but some winged things a lot. Well, then Jesus on donkey, what the heck is it? Jesus name, you know. I wanted to say Jasoli Hungarian is manje, you know. That when you are born, Jesus born in that thing, you know. Amongst the sheep, it's interesting. The nomads are sheep herders and cattle herders. Manger, so whatever, Germa Hungar. Germa, I guess, is Sida. A lot from taken from Latin or something. But Magi Magyar, but Sida similar to Jido in Hungary, which is Jew. So not a Jew. Or not, fucking, I just put that this because I guess I forget it later. Manger. So, you know, Jesus on donkey now is a donkey can be in some crazy way. I know it sounds crazy. The wing in Turkey, you know, donkey has wings. So Jesus on donkey enters Jerusalem. Is I don't know, avars also mentioned there that entered Constantinople, you know, in this year. Theophanes is calibrated that in where the fuck Magne in pizda mesidane. So avars entering Theophanes said or in this year, no, wait. This other chronicles say directly this year, los horde collapses. So I don't know, you know, I want to say, what if the avars entering Constantinople? Nople is the same, I don't know, Jesus enters in Jerusalem. At the holy city, this Constantinople, Constant, San Police, you know, I name it. Hyper Borea, oh fucking hyper, similar to avar name, you know, whatever, written avars also, similar to Arab, Hebrew even, if you want. Probably not there. Dus je eigen Europe name, waarop all other, you know, whatever. Vapor name also, vapor kan ook, you know. Vapor is ship in Romania. So probably, you know, but I don't look on the chronology now, I just wanted to put this craziness here. So Jesus on donkey probably, Jesus name similar to Ias, which means archery, bowman in Hungary, you know. Archer can be no Seker also, got Seker letters, Kazar, Saker, Hussar, or horse, you know. So probably Jesus, Ias, Archer on donkey, but archers were not on donkey, you know. So, I don't know if nomads are connected to, you know, Kentos also say but Griffons also lions and wings. So the Griffons probably are the same with Anunnaki things, you know. Can't see my mind right now. No, I was not thinking about it. Interesting, the avars are say the Griffon avars, you know. The most of the most cooler artifacts, yeah, similar to Scythian, but let's say the later Scythian period, but probably there were kept somewhere and they will later invented, they discovered it, whatever. I don't believe anything, not even to archaeology. So, you know, like the treasure of Saint Miklos, Jure. Where is that? I He also this, you know, so there is a Hungarians came after avars, but here is a depiction of woman, and somewhere is the even big belly, you know, some bird, griffon. The Hungarian chronicle even say that Almost was born, you know, a bird appeared of his vision, you know. But Hungarians are not connected nor to avars, nor to huns, nor to skyttear, nor to nothing, you know. They are finnugric, invented. When they are invented as finnugric, that means you are not anymore hun, nothing, you know. Motherfucker parasites, man. Here also with big belly. So here, this was, hey, Jason talks about, you know, Anunnakis emerged or intermingled, how you say that, mated with humans or something. But I don't know if the Huns, Hun is the human name, you know, like I said, that the Anunnakis are humans or what, who is the god then? Otherwise, Jason also said that he has newly this, he puts together his old videos and makes it longer, you know. Somewhere he said, probably some 2 years ago, that we are the Anunnaki. But the Anunnakis are, says, are on the ground. They are making the things, you know, pulling the strings. And those leaders today we have on the surface, they are just puppets, you know. So the Anunnakis are and today establishment is anti-European, anti-white. I'm not white, you know, with race and things, but it's clear, you know. So now if the Anunnakis and otherwise he says Anunnakis are the Caucasians, Europeans, so the Anunnakis are fucking sick or something that they are anti-white or what, you know. So there are some things which I don't get it from Jason. I don't say he's a fake or I don't know, brainwashed, probably I don't read enough of his books, you know. But I don't get it if they are controllers, they are anti themselves or what. They are really sick or what the fuck, you know. Alright, I want to say here that I don't saw that. I saw when I had my nationalistic period, you know, some 10 years ago. I downloaded, made clips and shit. So Griffon here is attributed to avars. Interesting, those who disappeared. The Hungars, the most lowest, even amongst the nomads, made kingdom, right? So it's BS. But don't that's up. So I want to say probably these things are connected to, you know, Anunnaki, I don't know, whatever. Or Anunnakis, or first human birth, or really to some gods giving birth to humans, or intermingling, or creating the humans, or whatever, you know. Put your head on this, I don't know. So these avars are the crazies, you know. Exactly, they are deleted after Christ, you know, the number. And the Anunnakis last, Jason also disband, you know. This goes to death, you know. Let's see, but I guess I'll look it up on it. The fuck? Look, we went to Jason's cornerstone number. Alright, I will look later. And the fourth is when the Home King goes to Dutch Republic. I'll show it, I guess. So this is the, you know, crazy. The avars last this period, which also the Parthian period, the Parthian Empire, you know, which in the middle of it, in fact, we can say, was very interesting, you know, 240, 24. If you add again 24, you get this number, because this number also said, or 247, or 8, or 9, if they started. And like I said, you know, where I said, Jesus is Ias Archer, the Kessere letters, you know, Kessere, whatever, say similar. So Seker Falcon again, which said, let the Hungarians here, you know, or wanted or hussar or horse, or Khazar or horse, you know. So the Jesus name came with that, if you take like that. And the Parthian Empire, I guess, was founded by this guy, you know. And you can even say exactly in the middle of it is born Jesus. But Jesus' name can be also the hussar, kazar, horse, similar to arsak, archer. And this is the only Scythian, let's say, empire somehow happened they managed to conquer this, according to history, Before the Achaemenid Persians, after that Sassanians. But Hungarian means eagle, Sassanian, Sas is eagle in Hungarian. Sas is Saxon. Saxons live in Transylvania also, but Sas is eagle. So that if the Parthian, I say is bird, per the interchange is heavy, bird, feather, birding, again, crazy. It's in front of my eyes and, So these things are the same, man, for fuck's sake, Avars. Even avar, also avar in English also, but I guess it's taken from Latin, which means where the sperm enters in woman, how it's said. And you are conceived or the conception, So the avars is crazy, is many. They are pictures like this, and bird in English again similar, but bird in Hungarian is madar again, But the Italian is again it's mother, Or the Magyar name, the Turkish just cannot say this letter. Or there was not even the Western.
Ovári bird madar D egyenlő T mother, magyar J.
J, so it's a J. The Slavs also use this. So the Turkish just say for the Magyar as Magyar, They read this the J, like the French. This read it in German, Hungarian J, which can you clearly place it. So, even the Magyar name, like I say, can be some negative if you want. We don't do dark, gloomy things or whatever, or Sidur, with the Jews and German name. But now I see can be even the bird itself, and the Mogog is seed in Hungarian, even. So it's crazy. So this of our things, if now I get to that point that saying that they are the Polish hussars, but the Polish hussars are connect somehow to Anunnakis, and Anunnakis anyway it's clear is connected to Huns, So these are probably these pictures are with the Anunnakis, or who, I don't know, whoever, let's say Anunnakis, or intermingling with humans, some divine bird, divine, or if the Anunnakis are the humans, then probably first humans created, but the question again still always remains that who is the God, who created the humans, or even you can say that who created the God, It is like the chicken or the chicken was at first or the egg, Griffons. What I wanted with Griffon. Griffon, Griffon also, similar with it's crazy. So avars I said can be horse-winged lords, The Griffon also similar to grove, which is not sounds Hungarian word, probably they also, which is also, of course they are quick to say. It comes from Germanic graf, so earls, count. But that's in English count is pussy, right? So now it's about male or female, what I think. But I had a theory, I guess, in Hungarian I've write it, because like I said in all the texts, the F letter is written like the S letter, but a little bit a stretcher, and without what the fuck was. And don't have this line, the back line on the down part, No, wait, the S letter is written like this, the old text, but not has the vertical line, So and also the gate, car, the Russians say the Huns today guns, so how Kaga interchanges heavily. So the grove name in Griffon in fact probably, or Griffon, the letter probably is a case one of bit of woman, because no, is woman in Hungarian all grows. Okay, you know, and you are born, you are grown in woman. So letter probably. So let's probably, but another one. I want to say Griffon. So if I make the F letter as H, you know, and so Griffon has this. If I make this, let's write like this letter, Sh, you know. Guess what? It crash, what means in French, I guess, and Romanian also. Hungarian is a birch, where you put the kid when he's not before the kindergarten, I'd say it. Kradle, yeah, but it's said for, otherwise this word means growing again, krește. Romanian is krește, I want to get to krește, but Romanian krește, crescent also, English also probably uses. Krește is grows, you know, Romanian. I want to get to krește, which means this is in Hungarian, but I want a nursery. It is the place when you don't have time for kids, you know, to raise up and go to work, and you put in some institution like the kindergarten, but before the kindergarten, you know. So when a kid is old, between 1 and 3 years or something like that. And pepiniere is where the watermelons are grown in Romania. I fucking hell, man, but why I went to Hungary? Hey. Wait a minute, it's a kindergarten. No, it's not the same. All the Hungarian is kindergarten. But the nurseries, it's crazy. What the fuck, man? Yeah. Kresze. And here is the day nursery, probably that's how I said it. Kresze, but it's a French word in fact, I guess. Like it seems for me, you know, Romania. Checheme, Tony said, for the Checheme is the newborn baby's home or something, you know. Crescent is growing again, so alright, the kid is growing. So I want to say the growth, probably, the Griffon, and crazy again, you know, look at the fucking picture, right? Bird and woman. Mother, bird. It's crazy, I don't even continue this shit. You know, so I want to say growth, which means early. Grove, grafen, I guess, in the German, earl, or count. The count is pussy also in English. Tikos cresce, you know, because like I said, gerefe, you transform in this and gereche, you know. It's about bird, griffons. So griffons, let's cut in short out of Anunnakis, birding with, I don't know, humans or Sumerian stories or whatever, you know. Cannot wings, Anunnakis cannot then, and whatever. An interesting orla in Eagle, eagle in Slavic is orla, you know. So like the early in English. What the fuck is that trouwens? Arla, they say Arla, something like. Interesting is Orel, whatever. But when they putting suffixes, they sometimes change the one vocal, you know. I heard that Arla also, so not Orel. Ukrainian, let's see, Polish, Orzel. Chicheva, Orel, Orla, whatever. Turkey chess, what are you? Bearcat. Bear, Kartal, I saw this. It's crazy also. Similar again. So you know. So this is must be some Anunnakis. If these are true, like Jason said, you know, avars disappear. Anunnakis, avars disappear after Christ, you know, this period. And the span of Anunnakis is in sources. I don't know, Jason, where it takes of Anunnakis, you know. And the avars last from this year to this year, and this is the after Christ again the Parthian Empire ends. I don't put that here. Alright, you can. Oh, it is here. So it's crazy. And I wanted to say about Jesus on there, and Jesus was being get to Sarden. Haja collapses. I was entering picture in Europe, in fact, and they're entering Pannonia this year. And even if I take out from this, that year goes to, alright, not like this, but if I take Attila's lived years, or Attila's span, let's say, Attila tål letters, tål in Hungarian in fetter again. So Attila, and Att is a horse in the Turkish. So let's write you an Attila name. Probably Attila is Vingetus are also. Attila. Tål egyenlő feater in Hungarian. Tål with one and whole longo is a pushes. It's logical because the wings are pushing the bird, you know, whatever. Or the Vikings, you know, Oarmen or Roman, or are Roman. I've writing videos. So this is about the archers or the seamen. You know, so the Vikings also are avars, Oarmen. What is this about? Because Jason also said they came from fleets and ships, Anunnakis to Sumer from America, you know. So everything can be taken, everything, you know. I want Attila, yeah. Till, even Tilt if you want. But Tilt is an interdiction in Hungarian. In a video I put that when Ögödei Khan dies, they dies, golden horde is formed, you know. I wrote it like Akodai, is impediment in Hungarian. And wait a fucking minute. Crazy minute. Oh, it's good that I entered here. Golden horde formed, Attila dies. Ögödei Khan dies. Kuyuk is Khan. Golden horde formed. All I can say. And the Luxembourg Codex says that they started attack the Western people for 19 years, but this BS is some code for something else. Minus Attila, Tol, Feder, or Tilt in English means the declination, you know. Probably, I don't know, the smarter ones should look on this, you know. Earth declination, or I guess also Jason mentions that pole shift test or what, I don't know. But Tilt in Hungarian is a which is it? Interdiction. You know, so something was closed again, or some negative things again. Forbidden, whatever. Ogodai, Ogodei, you know. So you need to eat that. That's why I look on the name and already my mind goes to which I can find other barrier, impediment, whatever, you know. Crazy man. And that's why I'm saying, I guess, I'm not sure, let's see. Goes to this number again. I guess he put it in video some 2 years ago. So not If the Polish and all avar-huns, Anunnakis are the same, then the go then again, you know. Tell me it's not the same, man. All right, I'll finish it. I'll go crazy now. I wanted here to say that Attila lived in 3 Hungarian chronicles 123, 4 or 5 years, you know. Krishna also 126. So goes to Attila's dead year in Hungarian chronicles, so not 453, you know. If I go further, this goes to Alexander era, you know, in BC. 200, I don't know. Interesting, whatever. So interesting is, alright. But let's see, this shit, man, is crazy. Again, has a difference, this. It has. The term is not, fuck. Anunnaki's span. Or the canals, wings. It's crazy. Fucking hell. Ogodej kan impediment. Akkor die. So it was some end catastrophe era ended and golden age started, because golden age, I don't know what. Kuyukan, let's make it more interesting, because I'm talking about Hungarians and Polish now, right? Let's make it Ukrainian also. Kiev. I saw it's written in English like this, Khan. So the golden old is Ukrainian. Kiev, former in ukrainski Tia, whatever. Korea, sky, Tian is heaven in Chinese. It's a Chinese English word, sky Tian. Royal Sky Tia, heaven in Chinese. Heaven and hell, fucking hell. Amazing. Beautiful. Thanks, Jason. It's obvious my Polish mate here on the YouTube said, be careful with Jason, I don't know, agent or whatever. I don't care at the moment. I'm in positive mode. Or even if I see a dark, let's say, negative connections, I put it out also. But whatever, I don't know, is or not is Jason agent, but it made me crazy with these things, man, you know. But only when it's true, I show you. When I'm sending these things to him, look, he never answers. One time he answered because in the thumbnail was an Anunnaki t-shirt. He said a cool t-shirt. Which I say, alright, I'm crazy, bro. Alright, it's more based, you know, calm, organized, and like, look, I write like this, look what comes from. Not answers, I push it also this. What should I think? You know, so I want to say, all right, he is not. He's not put stuff up the question that after Christ's history can't be the same with the before, you know. Like Fomenko does, in fact. He don't like Fomenko, so he's a little bit suspect at me, Jason. Let's say like this. Probably he had you know, access to this world history sources, even if he's hiding, because everything is written like up in the southern region, you know, Mediterranean area. So he also don't had access to other sources, and because of it, he is not goes to that direction, like to search for northern part of, you know, like where we live, northern Europeans and northern Eurasians, you know. So the Scythian territory, let's say at first, at least between Carpathians and Mongol mountains and the rest of northern Europe. So, so the Polish guy says he sees that he's probably agent. I don't know. I don't care at the moment. If it will be like this, we will see that. But he has these things and are put together, you know, so it screams out crazy. And yeah, I wanted to say I also show him these things. ascending, he look here already, yeah. But ascending, every kind of this video ascending, but not says nothing, not says anything. So I could say he's a suspect a little bit, but probably like I say, he don't head out chest and he don't has what to say about this, you know. He believes that not puts up questions that are duplicative events, because he said are not duplicates but cycles, you know, phoenix cycles and everything, you know. So I don't know. I can go with what he says, and also, but also I don't exclude, you know, Fomenko says that you know, if we are ruled by this control as they fabricated for themselves, for us, more 1,000 years histories which is fake, do duplications, you know. You can imagine about this control as they not done it, you know. So they done it probably. There's a duplicate, or full history full with duplications. For fucking sake, how to say. All right, Star Wars again. I get to go there or now. I was entering picture in Europe. So but these are the, you know, last like this. This Parthian again, bird, but Parthian also can be connected to, you know, Jesus in the middle bone. And this, and you know, all right.